Have you ever walked into a room and felt an immediate sense of calm? As if the space itself was exhaling? At Hambelung Studio, we believe that true design isn't just about filling a room with items, it's about creating a narrative that speaks to your soul. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the art of home transformation, moving beyond trends to find that perfect balance of comfort, character, and timeless appeal. Whether you are looking to revitalize your workspace with functional yet beautiful office furniture, or you are searching for that elusive, cozy farmhouse charm, we have curated a roadmap just for you. We'll show you how to thoughtfully layer decor to elevate your home from ordinary to extraordinary, turning every corner of your living space into a reflection of your own unique story. Most importantly, we are diving deep into the art of understated elegance. We'll be sharing the core idea, how to design a quiet luxury farmhouse bedroom with easy DIY projects for beginners. Proving that you don't need an unlimited budget to create a sanctuary that feels expensive, intentional, and deeply serene. Let's roll up our sleeves and start building the home you've always imagined. Crafting a haven of connection. Your living room is the heartbeat of your home, a space where stories are shared and memories are made. To master this area, focus on the lived-in aesthetic. Think plush. Textured fabrics paired with organic wood elements. Whether you lean toward a modern minimalist vibe or a cozy cottage feel, the key is balance. Start with a neutral palette and introduce personality through layers. Think oversized throws, curated bookshelf styling, and lighting that warms the soul. where function meets feast. The kitchen is no longer just for cooking, it's the stage for your culinary creativity. When designing this space, prioritize a seamless flow between the kitchen and your dining area. Consider installing open shelving to showcase artisan ceramics or upgrading your hardware to matte black for a subtle, modern edge. A well-designed dining space encourages lingering conversations. Don't be afraid to mix vintage chairs with a sleek, contemporary table to create a look that feels collected over time. A quiet luxury farmhouse sanctuary. If you've ever dreamed of retreating to a space that feels like a boutique hotel but maintains the warmth of home, this is for you. How to design a quiet luxury farmhouse bedroom with easy DIY projects for beginners is all about intentionality. Start by swapping out standard hardware for aged brass. And embrace a monochromatic palette of creams, beiges, and soft greys. DIY projects can be as simple as adding floor-to-ceiling linen curtains or creating a custom headboard using reclaimed wood. By focusing on high-quality textures like heavy cotton bedding and natural wool rugs, you can achieve that high-end, sophisticated farmhouse look without the luxury price tag. elevating your productivity. Your office furniture shouldn't just be functional, it should inspire you. We are moving away from cluttered, purely utilitarian desks. Instead, imagine a dedicated workspace that integrates seamlessly with your home decor. Whether it's a floating desk in a quiet nook or a dedicated room, prioritize ergonomics without sacrificing style. Use warm task lighting. Incorporate greenery to boost your creativity. And select office furniture pieces that feature clean lines and natural materials to keep your mind clear and focused throughout the day. Your exterior escape. Your home doesn't end at the back door. The garden is the final piece of the design puzzle. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a tiny balcony, the goal is to create an extension of your indoor living style. Use weather-resistant textiles that mirror your indoor color palette. And define different zones for dining, relaxing, and gardening. It's about creating an outdoor sanctuary that beckons you outside, no matter the season. As we wrap up today's journey, remember that your home is a living, breathing canvas that evolves right alongside you. From mastering the clean, sophisticated lines of modern office furniture to adding the soft, tactile layers of farmhouse decor that make a house feel like a home. Every choice you make is an investment in your personal well-being. We hope you feel empowered to tackle that idea: how to design a quiet luxury farmhouse bedroom with easy DIY projects for beginners and finally create that peaceful retreat you deserve. If this video helped you see your space in a new light, please hit that like button and subscribe to join our growing community of design enthusiasts here at Hambalung Studio. Don't forget to share this with a friend who is ready to start their own transformation project, because great design is always better when it's shared. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create next.